Are you bloated here and here? Then you want to take a picture to help you deflate the bloat. So whether you're bloated right here in your abdomen, like just like indigestion, your stomach's like looks like it's pregnant, right? And then bloating up here basically means like congestion. You got cough, your heaviness in your chest. How can you deflate both of them? You're gonna take a picture of your fingers, right? You can see when you're using these two fingers, take the thumb first. You're gonna go up. So you're gonna go up, you're gonna massage up, right? So you're gonna use your thumb and you're gonna go up. Massage here. This is going to help the bloat or congestion here in your lungs. The thumb has nerves that are connected to your lungs. That's why when you massage it up, it's going to stimulate the nerves here, which sends blood to your lungs, which decreases the heaviness, the congestion, maybe cough, right? Maybe you got some cough. So any respiratory lung issues, you want to massage this up here. Now you got the bloat down here, right? Well, instead of passing gas, maybe you can't pass gas, because when you pass gas, it actually feels better, right? So how do you pass the gas from your abdomen, right? You're going to go to the nerves that are connected to your large intestine. So there are nerves connected to your large intestine on this index finger. So when you stimulate the blood circulation, so you're going to go down. See that arrow? You're going to go down. You're going to massage down. Okay? This is going to stimulate blood circulation to your intestines right here. And you see down, bloat down, gas down, let it out down, right? You're going to massage this. You're going to do these at least 30 seconds 3 times a day, right? Obviously, you can't be eating junk. If you eat junk, you're going to get bloat back up. You're going to get, pregnant gas back up, right? So you want to deflate, so you make sure you eat the right things, but you want to deflate them by going down on this index finger, going down on index finger, going up on the thumb, all right? Give these 2 techniques a try. Deflate the bloat. Let me know how it goes. Make sure you click follow here on TikTok. Do you feel bloated every single day? Then you want to do the 2 belly rubs every single morning to help you get rid of that bloat. So it could be from your constipation, it could be from indigestion, it could be a lot of problems in your leaky gut. All of it can cause you to bloat, and it feels like you need to pass some gas, right? Well, this will help you pass some gas. So what you want to do every morning, you want to rub, the first belly rub is in, let me see if this camera is the opposite. So in the direction of your intestines. So your intestines go like this, they go up, across, they go down, this descending colon, and it goes into the colon, and then you poop out, right? So you want to rub like this. Rub like this. This is going to be clockwise, right? So rub like this every single morning. So this gets the blood circulation to your intestines, right? And then you want to push it out. So belly rub number 2, you want to go, I like to do it like this. Go down like this. Use this and just push down. Push from the center, okay? Push down from the center and then from the sides, right? So you do this after the first belly rub. This will help push out the bloat. And you might actually pass some of the gas too, okay? So push out the bloat right here, right here. Do this every single morning. You should actually help you get a bowel movement too, right? So give this a try. Let me know in the comments below if this works for you. Make sure you click on my profile and follow me here on TikTok.